What if learning could feel like building, celebrating, and discovering all at once? Today, hands-on learning is disappearing, replaced by screens and static worksheets. Teachers struggle to bring science and engineering to life. Parents crave meaningful family time, and companies need engaging team activities. Enter Inspirely STEAM Kits, 6 build-yourself projects designed by school-age students, inspired by modern science and traditional structures. Build your own Ferris wheel, learning about mechanical structures, centripetal force, gears, and more. Build your own dynamo generator powerhouse, empowering science of energy conversion and modern tech, including a sound sensor. Build your own basketball catapult, perfect for honing fine motor skills and learning parabolas in a fun and playful way. Build your own igloo, a traditional northern structure, and explore how engineering meets creativity, complete with a sound-activated light. Build your own teepee. Explore how traditional structures can connect with today's renewable energy powered by solar. Build your own hydraulic bridge, because great people rise under pressure, just like hydraulic bridge. Each kit delivers real-world STEM concepts, ready in 15 to 60 minutes from unboxing to play.
One of the most important challenges when you try to start in your class a project is to have all materials together. Will be very complicated because you have to customize. We have to cut from foam board, you have to cut from wood, you have to cut from a lot of materials, and it's very hard in a classroom to do that, especially with early grades. You can do more close to the high school. For example, here in this situation you have panels that are easily to assemble. You have parts, electric parts, that is hard to identify and to order separately. For example, motors that will generate electricity, LEDs and so on. Is everything comes together in a kit. If you want to produce this without having a kit preset like this, you have to identify for the battery pack, you have to identify the source to buy a switch, you have to find the source for the motors and so on, and after that you have to use eventually a lot of materials to build this wheel. But in this kit you have everything together. You have only to put them together and you can easily teach the concept in class. I'm saying that from a perspective of a science and technology teacher, that I'm doing this for many years.
These kits aren't just a prototype idea. They are already built, tested, and officially recognized by STEM.org as real educational product. They are ready to launch and a perfect fit for birthday parties, a holiday gift, extended classroom activities, a school fundraiser, or even ideal for corporate team building activity. Inspirely kits bring people together. They're hands-on, no coding required, pure creativity and design for all ages, creating cherished memories through meaningful educational experiences. Support Inspirely and join a global movement. Help us bring hands-on STEAM learning to everyday life. Order your kits today and be part of something joyful and truly inspiring from Inspirely.